Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to use the Ask Me Anything feature on Snapchat. This fun interactive option allows your friends and followers to ask you questions, making your snaps more engaging and personal. Whether you want to connect with your audience or just have some fun, this feature is perfect for sparking conversations. Let's jump right into the steps. Step 1. Open Snapchat. First, launch the Snapchat app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Step 2. Take a snap like you usually do. Capture a photo or video that you'd like to share with your friends. Step 3. Tap on the stickers icon, which looks like a smiley face. This will open up the stickers menu, giving you various options to enhance your snap. Step 4. Select the question sticker. This sticker is specifically designed for the Ask Me Anything feature, allowing you to prompt your followers to ask questions. Step 5. You can change the question if you want, or leave it as is. Feel free to move and resize the sticker wherever you like to make it fit your snap. Step 6. Tap Send To at the bottom right of the screen. This will bring up the options for sharing your snap. Step 7. Tap on My Story. By selecting this, you'll share your snap with all your friends, inviting them to ask you questions. And that's it. You've successfully set up an Ask Me Anything on Snapchat. Now you can look forward to receiving questions from your friends and engaging with them in a fun way. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Snapchat tips.